Okay, let's meet Lachie, an international student from Auckland, New Zealand. When looking at colleges, he wanted a school that was the right fit and one that provided real-world, hands-on learning experiences. Now, in the graduate year of his accelerated dual degree program, Lachie can't wait to tell you about the immersive learning opportunities he found right here at QU.
Thanks, Alex. G'day, guys. I'm an international student from New Zealand. It was a big step for me coming out to Quinnipiac, 9,000 miles away from home, but now, entering my graduate year, I can most definitely say that it was the right call. QU offers so many opportunities and resources that provide immersive, hands-on learning to help you grow and become career ready. My favorite experience so far was the QU Launchpad competition. Launchpad is similar to the show Shark Tank, where students pitch a business idea to industry leaders for the chance to win a startup grant to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. I worked with my partner for months to develop our pitch, a mobile app to help international students find their university fit. Students can enter the Launchpad competition through classes offered in both our School of Business and our School of Communications, both designed to help students like me pursue their passions while fueling innovative ideas. Experiential learning is at the core of student learning at Quinnipiac. From the simulation, standardized patient and skills labs within our medicine, nursing and health sciences, to our podcast studio in our School of Communications and Financial Technology Center in our School of Business, these are a few ways that you can get real-world experience on campus. We also offer numerous ways to get experience off campus through internships, student teaching opportunities, and faculty-led trips abroad. We also have programs like QU in LA and QU in DC that put you in the center of entertainment and political worlds, interning with industry leaders. I'm not sure I would have come to America if I hadn't have found Quinnipiac, but it ended up being the right fit. Between the connections, the cutting-edge learning opportunities, and the friendships. That's all I've got. Back to you, Alex.
Quinnipiac truly embraces the idea of learning by doing and offers so many transformative experiences that help you grow as a student, professional, and as a global citizen on and off campus. Where will your experience take you at QU? The sky is the limit. Thanks, Lachie, for sharing your story.